So this week is about forms and reports. And eventually we'll get more on queries and different things along those lines. But last week was about tables and the basics of putting together your database. With this particular week with forms and reports, if you want to kind of think about it, tables are your baseline. Tables are your foundation of your database. Without a table, you've got nothing. And then what happens in forms and reports kind of plug into those tables and show different pieces of information in a way that you can digest it. They start talking about functions, a way to kind of process your data and how you put all these things on, and then you can actually put a query. So your query is a way to ask questions of your table, and then your form and report is a way you just run every month and it comes out with a certain amount of information and things along those lines. But it's super important to kind of look at the forms and reports to see what they mean, to see how effective they are, and to see a way to process the data where you can digest it and then make decisions off this. Because ultimately a database is a way to keep track of data, but also a way to make decisions from that data, because it gives you a foundation for that decision-making process. And the more you move up in the food chain, let's say, the more important it is for you to get in touch with the overall picture. And a database with really good forms and reports and different things along these lines are a way for you to figure that out. Forms let you filter the information that goes in. Queries let you see what the information comes out and how to process that. So if you have any questions where that's concerned or anything along those lines, let me know. But otherwise, kind of take that tidbit of information and go forward with it. I think it'll serve you well. Thank you.